Still loading.
Hey, Terry.
Okay, we're on now.
Yes,
Judge,
sir.
can you put Jones in number 2?
And Jones in 2.
Okay. And can we get Mr. Kopp in front of the
Right here, Judge.
Good
all
morning.
right.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. Let me put up your paperwork. Okay, Mr. Kopp, can you raise your right hand?
Yes, sir.
Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Put your hand down. I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay, hold on here. All right, do you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is your name John Kopp?
Yes, sir.
Are you the same John Kopp who in this call's number 715-284, who stands charged with the offense of criminal mischief as a Class B misdemeanor? Is that you?
Yes, sir.
This case, because it's a Class B misdemeanor, it's possible that you could be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail. And in addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $2,000. Do you understand what you are charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case, sir?
Yes, sir, I do.
I'm looking now on my screen at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plead by Video that you signed.
Yes, sir.
When you signed this document, you told me it was okay to do this by video. We don't have to do it in open court. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
I'm now looking at a document on my screen entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you have signed it, and your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, sir, I did.
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
Yes, he did. Very
And do
well.
you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Are you a citizen of this country, sir?
Yes, sir.
I'm now looking on my screen at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal, and you've signed it.
Yes, sir.
And when you signed this document, what you did was you told me, Judge, I understand
Yes,
that if
I
my
did.
attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain agreement, I understand I will not have a right to appeal in the future. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, sir, I do.
So then, to the offense of criminal mischief as a Class B misdemeanor, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
And you understand that on a plea of no contest, the court can still find you guilty. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody forced you to do this?
No, sir.
Besides the plea bargain agreement that your lawyer got for you, has anybody promised you anything in order to get you to do this?
No, sir.
Are you doing this of your own free will?
Yes, sir, I am.
Is there a plea bargain? Could I ask the state to please recite it if there is?
Yes, Your Honor. We've agreed to a $0 fine with court cost, 101 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrently, and we ask for this judgment to be satisfied.
Is that your understanding of the plea bargain, Mr. McCrum?
Yes, sir, it is.
Do you agree to this, Mr. Kopp?
Yes, sir, I do.
Then, Mr. Kopp, the court having heard you plead no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs, 111 days in the Bexar County Jail, give you credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent. The judgment is satisfied. If this is the only case holding you, sir, is this the only case holding your client, Mr. McCrum?
It is, Judge.
If this is the only case holding you, sir, then you should be released
Can I
sometime
ask, though,
today.
Judge, one thing is, I don't know how many days credit he has in, but the plea was for 101, not 111.
Oh, I'm sorry. I misheard. Karine, can you put 101 days in there? Can you correct that?
Yes,
101.
Judge.
Okay, I'm sorry that I misheard that, Scott.
Yeah,
Pardon
Yes,
me.
sir.
Okay. So then that should take care of him. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor, and thank you, Mr. Sanchez, Mrs. Alatar, and Scott Crum, of course, and thank you, Oliveris, and Ms. Rodriguez. I appreciate all y'all.
Okay. Good luck to you, sir. Take care.
Thank you all.
Bye, Scott.
Bye-bye.
Now I have Mr. Diegas' paperwork on my screen. Can we get Mr. Diegas in front of the
They haven't come out yet, Judge. Mr. Sullivan
Okay.
is, oh, well, I hope Scott knows how to get out. Okay,
Mr. Sullivan. Mr. Sullivan's having problems with his screensaver, so.
And can I just interrupt real quick? Just to
Uh-huh.
fix this? I have Aaron Jones, and the person that got put into my breakout room is Kylie Jones, and Brian Kimbrough is his lawyer.
Okay, let's get a deputy. Deputy Gill or deputy?
You got it.
We got it.
You got it. Okay,
Okay, thank you so much.
thank you. All right, so then, is that Mr. Odiegas on my screen right now?
Yes, sir.
We're waiting for your lawyer. So, Mr. Sullivan. I got Mr. Finch out here.
No go, Judge.
No go, Mr. Finch.
Nope.
Does that mean you're no agreement?
No agreement. Well, no, Judge. My client's not willing to take a deal today, so
Okay, so no agreement. All right,
I'll
send
let
it
the
back.
court. I'll let the court know. Thank y'all.
Okay, thank you.
Can I tell Mr. Sullivan they're waiting for him? No, okay, don't worry about it. You got it.
okay,
Okay,
I'm sorry, Judge. Mr. Finch, no agreement.
that's
No,
right.
correct.
That's sent back on no agreement. So then we just need Mr. Sullivan.
Okay, Judge.
Do I go in there and get him out? Is that what I need to do, or can you get him out for me, Terry? I guess I'll go in.
What's the name of the guy? Ray? What's the name? Aaron Jones, right?
Yeah, Aaron Jones.
Aaron Jones. Aaron Jones. Hey, what unit is he from?
AJ. Oh, Cop or Jones?
Jones.
BB.
Who's, where are you from? BB? What's the BB? Did you go to BB? Or did he go to BB?
No, I didn't go to BB.
Did you come by yourself?
Okay, let me see.
Oh, down there.
I know, where is this? Breakout rooms. Mr. Sullivan doesn't know how to get out of his room, so I'm gonna move him out. Can you move him out?
Let's see, move him,
Take
to
him
the
out.
main, let me see if I can, yeah, I got it, Judge. Let me see if I put him, move him to main session. Let's see if
Yeah.
if he takes it. There, okay, there he is, Judge. There he is.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Sullivan.
Yes, sir.
All right, we got your client in front of the screen. I think, what happened here?
Yeah,
Okay,
there is auxiliary court.
okay. Mr.
They're not answering.
Odiegas, can you raise your right hand for me? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do, yes, sir.
Thank you. Put your hand down.
Is BBS good?
I'm about to share my screen with you.
Is that all right? All right.
No one's talking to you.
Okay, all right. Mr. Odiegas, do you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is your name Israel Odiegas?
Yes, sir.
Are you the same Israel Odiegas when this calls number 719-588, who's charged with the offense of theft of something having the value between $750 and $2,500? Is that you?
Yes, sir.
This is a Class A misdemeanor, and it's possible in your case you could be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 1 year in jail. In addition, there is a fine possible anywhere from $0 up to $4,000. Do you understand what you are charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you know where the security desk is at?
Yeah.
I'm looking now at a document that's entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you have signed. And when you signed this document, you told me it was okay to do this by video. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
So they can go
I'm now
back.
looking on my screen at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you have signed it and your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, sir. Oh, sorry.
I'm asking him.
Gotcha.
Mr. Diegas, did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes.
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
Yes, sir.
And do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Are you a citizen of this country, sir?
I am.
I'm now looking on my screen at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal, and you have signed this one as well. And when you signed this document, what you did was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor. If you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal in the future. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
I got.
So then, to the offense of theft as a Class A misdemeanor, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea, sir?
No, sir.
Besides the plea bargain that your lawyer got for you, has anyone promised you anything in order to get you to enter this plea?
No, sir.
Are you entering your plea of your own free will?
Yes, sir.
Is there a plea bargain? Could I ask the state to please recite it if there is?
Yes, Your Honor. We've agreed to a $0 fine with court cost, 43 days in the Bear County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrently, and we ask for this judgment to be satisfied.
Is that your understanding of the plea bargain, Mr. Sullivan?
Yes, sir.
And do you
Yeah.
agree with this, Mr. Diegas?
Yes, sir.
And Mr. Diegas, the court, having heard you plead of no contest, on that plea, the court does find you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs, 43 days in the Bear County Jail. I give you credit for time served, time and money run current, and the judgment is satisfied. If this is the only case holding you, then you should be released sometime today. Can't tell you exactly when that'll be, but it should be sometime today, sir. All right?
Yes, sir.
Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And you can be excused, Mr. Sullivan. Great picture, by the way.
Thank you, Mr. Sullivan.
Thank you don't need me anymore, I assume. Yeah, way
No,
to go.
sir, you may
Dr.
be
Joe.
excused. You may be excused. Thank you.
Thanks, guys. Y'all have a good, whatever.
Okay, we'll have a good whatever. Thank you. Take care. Okay,
Brother Plastic, sir.
now let me see.
Here's Prince.
We're just waiting for Suzanne, Judge.
The only one left then is Mr. Jones, right?
Oh, yes, sir.
Yeah, I recall also. Who is That's for Jones? Oh, Jones is on his way, Judge.
Okay.
Okay. This is Mr. Prince.
In the meantime, can we get pretrial on here so I can go over the docket perhaps?
Yeah, listen.
If that's what
I'm
you
gonna
want,
take
Judge.
this off you. I'm gonna